Ooh. I was just like setting up my camera on the app. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is hella trippy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, no, welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is mostly me just trying out this new camera that I have, my GoPro. I'm so jazzed. I'm so excited that I'm using it. Anyway, so I'm heading to town to get my nails done and to pick up a head wrap from Michelle's shop, and then after that meet up with my friend Viv. We're going to go see Prince KB, who is in Nairobi. Anyway, so I will see you guys later. At least with this camera I can vlog a lot easier because it's tiny. It's literally small. So I'll see you guys when we get to town. I'm finally at Captain's Terrace. Do you guys say terrace or terrace? I don't know. Anyway, I'm here. I'm a bit late. It's 3:40. Town, man. Town does that to you on a weekend. Let me put you guys down for a second. I need to drink water. Anyway, guys, the weirdest thing happened. Okay, it's not the weirdest thing. Actually, it happens a lot. Because men sometimes are just... Anyway, so I was walking around in town, and then this man, who is literally, he looks like someone's dad, somebody's father, just okay, wasn't whispering, but it was some weird kind of nini. Then he just goes like, nice boobs. I'm like, surely for sure you have a daughter, and you wouldn't be weirded out if some random man just told her that on the street. Disgusting. One word, disgusting. Anyway, so let me go in. It's 3:45 right now and I'm hungry. It's Jakula lunch. So I also need to change my shoes because I was wearing gomas because I was going to walk around in town. So now I can wear my cute shoes. Ish. Yani, do I know you? As the guys looked at me, kama tunajuana. Just say hi. Don't you guys find that weird? Like, instead of staring at someone, just say hi. Then you have reason for looking at them for a long time. Is it just me? Anyway, life hack. Don't say I never teach you guys things. Hiya, by the way, do you guys remember this jacket? The one I DIY'd, basically, and just added lace. Kwani, you're not calling? If you've not seen this video, I'll link it in the cards section. Hi. Hello. Viv. Oh my god, this girl's phone. Okay.